What is up, YouTube? Just want to take a minute to say thank you for checking out my video. Make sure you like, subscribe, share, comment, dislike, all the fun stuff, just to help the YouTube algorithm do its thing and get me out there in front of more people so they can tell me that my head's too shiny or I'm stupid or whatever. I need to be nicer to this little fuzzball here. Okay, she doesn't want to sit up there, so anyway. And then I still have Patreon. I'm working on what I want to do with that for Patreons. Maybe put their suggestions or comments or whatever to the front of the list. I don't know, maybe as I get bigger I'll do something else too. But I've got that, and then I also have a Amazon affiliate link. Both of those links for the Patreon and the Amazon are down in the description below. With the Amazon, it's regular Amazon. The only difference is if you purchase something from that or using that link, I get a little commission off of that. So that would be great. No additional charge for you guys though, and I do not get to see who bought what. I do see what was bought, but not who bought it. But yeah, we'll get to that video here shortly. You guys have a good one. That's really cool. Guys were asking where she'd been and when she might be back. So tonight Brenda invited Bryn, who has a pussycat. TK wants to say hi. Is that acid? What is up, YouTube? It's your friendly neighborhood Runningbaldman back again for another video. Hope everybody's had a good week so far. And today is Halloween. So hope everybody's ready to go get some good candy and have some good fun. But today is story time again. And we have a brand new story today. It is from Brad Goosey. Mom runs trains on the weekend with dad's friends. So mom runs trains on the weekend with dad's friends. So this should be entertaining, but let's get into it. This was Brad Goosey. But mom runs trains on the weekend with dad's friends. It's career day at school, and I get to present. I'm so proud of my mom and the weekends she's spent. Already starting off with her in a hot tub with a couple guys. I hope Dad's brunette because, learning to run trains. I think she conducts. She probably does more than conduct a train. Practice train runs in the bedroom with Chuck. All aboard. And Dad and Steve and Garage Man Stu. Mom never stops yelling, choo 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 choo. Oh, yeah. Well, that's it. that was short and more than a little disappointing. Wow. I know this is a fun book, but it could have been a little longer. That's what she said. But yeah, that was a little underwhelming. Um, yeah, so I'm sorry it was so short. Um, Maybe that's why Mom runs trains on the weekends with Dad's friends. Um, but that's going to do it for today. I got to go get ready to hand out some candy. I've got 4 big bags of candy, and I give giant handfuls of candy, so that'll probably last me about an hour, maybe an hour and a half at best. But you guys have a good weekend, or a good week, and a good Halloween, and I will see you next time.